Hi folks, good morning, this is Hector. Today is the 6th of July 2007, Friday, and it's 20 past 10 London time. I've just triggered an entry on the yen, on the American dollar against the Japanese yen. It's a scalp type of trade based off the 15 minutes chart, okay? I think, well, my system, my 3 simple moving average system is showing a healthy trend on the 15-minute chart, and since today is Friday and I don't look into longer time frames such as the 4 hours time frame or the daily chart in order to search for an entry. On Friday, since I like to be out of the market by the afternoon London time, I usually search for intraday trades based on the 30-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, or even the 5-minute chart. Perhaps the hourly if I see a very clear setup and there is no major news coming up for today. But today we have the non-farm payrolls, which is one of the baddest boys in the school, so you know, I don't want to take any risk. The non-farm payrolls are coming out in about 3 hours, and I want to be I want to have my stop loss at break even at least by that time, or well, I will perhaps close the trade altogether. So like I say, a 15-minute time frame trade. Let's see what we have here. First of all, we have the moving averages all pointing up, order parallel to each other, etc., etc. I'm also liking how, if we go into the longer time frames, into the 4 hours time frame, we've had a breakout of this downtrend line, alright, to the upside. And if we even zoom out a little bit longer into the daily chart, we have a beautiful uptrend, okay, and a bounce of a confluence of different elements, okay, former top, okay, former resistance, now working as support. It's also the Fibonacci level. It's the 50% Fibonacci level right there of the daily dynamic area of support, and of course this trend line as well, okay, very healthy uptrending channel on the daily, all right. So like I say, longer time frames are looking nice, okay. You know, one of my conditions, pre-entry conditions, is to verify that there are no conflicting signals coming or showing on the daily, on the longer time frames, okay. So this trade is, well, I basically had the green lights to try it, or to take this trade on the shorter time frames. Moreover, in the 15-minute chart, what I'm seeing is the 123.00 round number level, which had been working throughout the later half of yesterday's American session and throughout the Tokyo session as a resistance, okay, the 123.00 level. As London market opened up right there, we saw a breakout of that level to the upside, okay, in the direction of the 15-minute chart trend line, moving averages. Breakout, we saw a retest, okay, back to this dynamic area of resistance, of support, since we are in an uptrend. Also back to the intraday trend line, this black line I'm marking right here, you see, was retested there and there, okay, and also right in between the 38 and the 50 Fibonacci levels, right. So as a trigger, I zoomed into the since the setup chart is the 15-minute chart. As a trigger, I zoomed into the 5-minute chart, okay. Let me readjust this trend line on the 5-minute chart right there. Alright, so in the 5-minute chart, searching for an entry, I saw the retracement trend line breakout, okay, breakout. We saw a couple of bars pulling back to former breakout level, okay, meaning this trend line. Let me clean up the chart a little bit. Breakout, pullback, continuation, as we made a new high, okay, for today. Well, not for today, but for this swing right there, I triggered my long entry, okay. Stop loss right below them. 15 pips stop loss. Remember, this is a scalp trade, okay? And I'm just gonna shoot perhaps for the next round number level at 123.50. Alright, my only concern, like I say, in 3 hours time we have the non-farm payrolls coming into the markets, hitting the wires, and I don't want to take any risk. I'll definitely move my stop loss to break even if if I have a little bit of room in profits by then. If not, if I am at a loss, I will definitely close out the trade, even if it's at a small loss. All right, non-farm payrolls is a dangerous thing to be to mess with. All right, price might spike easily 40, 50 pips, even more. You never know with the non-farm payrolls. It's a little bit like you know, a roulette, and you know, I don't want to take any risks. So like I say, definitely my stop loss is gonna be move to break even before that announcement comes up in the market. Okay. Alright folks, that's all. I'll keep you updated on whatever happens on this trade. Bye bye. Hi guys, this sector again. Just a quick update to let you know that I've closed this trade for plus 4 pips. We have the non-farm payrolls coming up in 15 minutes, and this thing just, you know, it just didn't give me enough room to move safely move stop to break even. You know, I was expecting or waiting or hoping at least for a plus 15 or plus 20 pips of breathing room before the news hitting the wires, in order to safely move my stop to break even. But like I say, it's we have 14 minutes now left for the non-farm payrolls to come out, and well, I decided to close it at plus 4. 4 pips is just not nearly enough to move a stop to break even, you know, 'cause it's just way too short, and you know, your broker might not respect that stop loss at all. Okay, so I'm just not gonna take any risk, as I'm getting out of this trade. I'm gonna grab those 4 pips, and I don't know. I don't know what really can I do with 4 pips. Perhaps I'll have a good lunch somewhere outside today. All right, guys. I'll be seeing you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's me. Just a quick update. The non-farm payrolls have just come out to the market, and well, you know, it seems like price has moved over 30 pips in my direction. But nonetheless, I'm glad I exited. It was the right decision. Okay, but staying through the news is always basically gambling. All right, guys, that's all. Bye bye.